Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash a like button for me. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money and you're not getting the results you want, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated with the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin is at 11,879. Now this is a bullish scenario for Bitcoin. It's important to always consider there's a bullish idea and a bearish idea, right? You want to build a case both ways. Wherever you can build the stronger case, essentially the probability of it playing out in the direction you think is a lot higher. Okay, so this is the bullish scenario for Bitcoin, a $13,000 target. What has to happen here is Bitcoin needs to break above this overhead resistance at about 11,900, right where it's at. Now you've got a possible bullish MACD cross down here. Okay, also this falling wedge on the RSI. However, if you look at this wedge, there's still room where it could, Bitcoin price action, and if this happens, this would be amazing for the altcoins, right? So imagine this falling wedge. Let me zoom in. So imagine this falling wedge still continues to the downside until it gets closer to oversold territory, okay, and then breaks higher. All right, if that happens, you would be looking at some type of consolidation in this area. Okay, again, amazing trading would happen for these altcoins if this scenario plays out. Now, Bitcoin put in a real strong candle. I'm going to show you on some of the lower term time frames in just a second. Bitcoin breaks above here, and a retest would be a good entry for a long position. Okay, at that point, at first you got to get past this range high of 12,300. Okay, that's going to be major resistance right there. So there's the bulls have some work to do, but I'm just saying, hey, this is an idea as a bullish scenario for Bitcoin. Now, this is the 4-hour chart. And again, I'm looking at this rising channel again. This candle is very strong for Bitcoin. And why do I say it's strong? Why is it strong, Chris? Okay, you see these previous highs? All right, so these are essentially resistance levels. In one candle, this green candle engulfed both these levels. Okay, so it just shot through these overhead resistance levels. Now, I'm looking for some type of a pullback and then a continuation higher as far as an entry for Bitcoin. Okay, so again, you could buy the breakout of this level if you're looking to trade Bitcoin. My thing is, like, you're looking at 10, 12, actually only about 8% gains. If I can make 8% gains with my eyes closed in these altcoins right now, I can make 80% gains in a couple days or weeks. Like, for me, trading Bitcoin is just, man, it's lost its appeal, right? Used to I came into crypto and I'm like, okay, 50% of my portfolio needs to be in Bitcoin at all times. And then you see all these people that are Bitcoin maximalists, and I'm a profit maximalist, right? Got to take our profits. I've got some amazing shout outs from my trading group. Basically stated, I've been in the group for 3 weeks, and I want to say because of your videos and I've learned so much, and your TA, I'm up 125% on my portfolio. Are you kidding me? Like, people are coming into the group, and we're seeing people that have been in the group for a little bit, 3x, 5x, 10x gains. It's amazing. Now, this person said, thanks for the life-changing skill, Chris. What a week. I turned $35,000 into $48,000. She made $13,000. Thank you. Life-changing money for me and my kids. Awesome. This person stated, dude, TRB made people over 100% in 36 hours. That's good money. 100% gains, 36 hours. Next person, TRB, up $6,300 in profit. Sent me his entire breakdown. If you're not making the money in this market that you want to, the potential's here. You guys see it from me every day. Go to cryptorev.net. Link is in the description. Get you set up in the trading group today. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart we're talking about. Bitcoin needed to break above. Remember, call your whale buddies. Apparently you guys did. Boom, moved to the upside. Now it looks like it might be flagging. Broke inside this original pattern. I want to see how it reacts to this. Again, over 12,000, the next big level for Bitcoin. Bitcoin bulls need to push this price higher. Origin Protocol came out and said it's never been easier to buy and sell on DShop. OGN, DeFi, pumped immediately on this news. Bizarre activity alert. No, this looks like completely organic price action. This is something I want to invest long term in. Any coin that's gonna drop from 260 satoshis to about 140 in an instant means, yeah, bizarre. It's bizarre, all right. Everything about crypto lately is bizarre. What is happening? What is happening? Everybody's buying a bunch of projects that don't even really work or have a use case, and they're super high risk, but they're making a ton of money. Everybody else is getting rich right now except for you if you're not trading these little small, micro, mid-cap altcoins. You're not trading these guys. Yeah, you've seen some upside over the last couple months, but life-changing money happens fastest small and micro caps. Small and micro caps. Arthur Hayes comes out, CEO of BitMEX. He said, need insurance on your poorly written piece of Solidity spaghetti code. NXM might be the answer. Position just initiated. Let's go. He's basically saying, hey, I bought WNXM. And immediately I'm like, I see this news and I'm like, let me get this chart posted real quick. I can't even post a chart fast enough. It was by the breakout of this level. You got about 15% gains above this breakout for WNXM after that. But somebody in group messaged me and said, hey, WNXM is the only underwriter for YFI, Curve, and Balancer. To date, there's no competitor. So again, keep an eye on this. If you think about the cryptos that you buy and hold and invest in, there's a lot of competition in certain sectors of the cryptocurrency market. And so there's no competition with WNXM. So just kind of keep an eye on this guy. CRV, we're back. This crypto is outperforming a lot of the market right now. I talked to you guys about CRV on the 26th, just a few days ago. We were looking for, essentially a retest, which we did get by the breakout. CRV, we bought it down here. The setup was down here. This is the retest. 66% gains. And it turns out it turned into an inverse head and shoulders. And then boom, breaks to the upside. CRV, this is a large bullish reversal pattern. Amazing gains for you guys and amazing gains in the trading group from CRV. Look at this. Look at Binance right now. If you're not on Binance right now, this is the easiest money you could possibly make ever. These are the day. I remember 2017. I used to use Bittrex. Bittrex was a popular exchange. You'd wake up and you'd see like like 3 or 4 coins up 200%, 220%. It was commonplace, right? And like, watch, we're gonna get back there. And it's gonna be these small caps. Bitcoin's not gonna pump 200% in a day. It's just not happening. It's too big, too heavy, right? There's risk involved with the smaller caps, but you put some TA behind it, some guidance from us in the trading group, can make life-changing money together. Look at this. So Binance lists Sushi and DFI Money, which was renamed. It's YFII, kind of a spin-off and a play on YFI. Look at the coins look at they're booming, up 139%. Sushi up 65%. TCT I talked to you guys about. They've got a DEX coming out. This is going to be a good long-term hold. You got to wait for entry. Like, this thing's all over the place. Like, you don't want to buy the top, but these coins just keep booming. SNM, CRV, there it is. So CRV, MDT, which I've got this one as well. So in the trading group, we have 3 of the top 8 gainers on Binance. And these, again, these just got listed. They're basically super high risk, right? People, I don't know. I wait for them to settle down, get some market structure in place. You got to have some setups, some ideas to trade off of. It's not just buy blind. I mean, if you want to gamble, go to Vegas. So YFII has been rebranded. Listen to this coin. Okay, so it was originally launched as a fork of YFI because some Chinese investors suggested a change to the YFI protocol it couldn't get past. So YFII took off as a Chinese YFI with weekly halvings distribution model. There were some doubts in the beginning, but all those were addressed later on. They did a Binance Live yesterday. They have been listed on OKX, Huobi, and soon Binance. And so again, in 14 days, listen to this. In 14 days, imagine this coin 28x'd in 2 weeks. 28x. Imagine made 2,800% on something you bought 2 weeks ago. Like, what does that even feel like? Like, dude, Lotto, that's what it feels like. Powerball. I just hit the Powerball of crypto. So this is Sushi. And Sushi Swap, they're trying to kind of compete with Uniswap. It's a fork of Uniswap. So it's called Sushi Swap. It's a new unaudited decentralized finance protocol, and it crossed 700 million in total value locked. Now, it was interesting. This coin opened at $170, I think, and it lost like 99% after it was listed. Like, is this high risk? Anyways, that was before Binance. But I'm just saying, like, when these coins are brand new, like, they're all over the place. Like, you're trading against the elite here. But after they stabilize, you get some market structure, you put some TA behind it, then you're making profits and trading these coins. So Sushi Swap, again, fork of Uniswap. The governance token is called Sushi. And so really the key is here, new coins, DeFi, added to Binance. Go make a Binance account. Link is in the description. What are you doing? Binance International. Even if you're in the United States, just use PureVPN. Links are there. Interesting to see all the major market shift. It's like, where's all these top coins? Like all the top 10 cryptos right now. Where are they at? Top 20? Like, where are they at? I think Tron's got some positive price action, but like where this is a major market shift happening right now before our eyes. Like, we're gonna look back on this in 2 years, and we're gonna be some holders are gonna be like, well, I thought this coin was gonna be the next big thing. And you gotta realize this market is so hype driven. It's a bunch of software that doesn't even work, maybe never will, doesn't have use cases, probably not even viable for use cases that would be adopted by the mainstream. And so it's just like, get your money. That's right, get your money. So Tether surpasses XRP by market cap again. What does this tell you? Number one, it tells you there's a ton of money sitting on the sidelines to jump right into the market. And fiat is onboarded by institutions, banks, smart money via Tether. So again, the money is here waiting for the most opportune time to buy crypto. So look at Uniswap. It reached a new all-time high in volume, over $500 million traded in one day. Huge volume. Patrick Dye says liquidity mining on Qtum is going to be ready in 2 weeks. And I do have a Qtum chart coming up for you guys, a setup, which I was hoping it doesn't break out before I give it to you, because that's what they do. It seems like every single day. So this is an idea where you've got this rising channel, right? Essentially, this happened previously back in from May to August. And you had this huge price spike from 9,000 up to 11,200, okay? And so here, essentially, the price spike would be from 11,200 up to $13,000 Bitcoin, okay, 13,000. So this is a bullish case. Is this going to happen? I mean, you have that same long wick, the same long wick here, the same falling wedge, same. So again, very similar, very similar. Let's see how it plays out. Comp, a DeFi project. Imagine that. So I posted this in the trading group. I'm not sure if I gave it to you guys, but you have this nice rounded bottom. There was this bull flag, and like it just formed this perfect rounded bottom. Now, if it doesn't break out here, you know, it would be nice if it puts in a little handle and then breaks out to the upside, be like this cup and handle type pattern to watch. But again, these DeFi coins are just booming. Okay, so now let's look at Bitcoin CME futures. So if you look at the CME gap was open. The price dipped down. Thought we were going to get a move to the downside, and then boom, immediately pumped. But so what's interesting is this chart's different than the one we were looking at spot. And you see that you got this overhead resistance level at about 12,000, which is going to be, it's got to, you know, price action needs to break this. I mean, and then it's like if you draw this rising broadening wedge like this, the question is this a bearish retest, right? And so really a lot's going to change. You know, have to flip bullish. You see a break above 12,000. Okay, then obviously you've got 12,600 as the previous high. So there's some work for the bulls to do, but some type of pullback and retest would be good sign of continuation to the upside. Alt BTC pairs do not perform very well when Bitcoin is volatile, right? So these alt BTC pairs will recover quickly because they got hit hard. They'll recover quickly when Bitcoin starts to consolidate and move sideways. Look at Bitcoin dominance. A lot of this has to do with Ethereum. Ethereum is huge as far as the market cap goes. So we weren't hoping, but the Altcoin anonymous members were looking for this to continue lower. Bitcoin, if this support doesn't hold, the altcoins are going to be a lot easier to trade. It didn't hold. This one, if support didn't hold, and this Bitcoin dominance is below 60. Okay, again, there's some bounce ideas here. You got oversold. The RSI is an oversold territory. You know, so some type of bounce, and then you know a bearish retest here and continuation to the downside. Altcoin boom. Altcoin boom will continue to happen. The larger caps haven't moved yet. That's what's crazy. And this is just the beginning. Like there is so much upside ahead. 18 months of this. Get your money, guys. I'm telling you. Take advantage of every opportunity you have. Qtum. So we talked about the Qtum news. By the breakout of this falling wedge, you see you've got this lower trend line as a catalyst for a move higher. The 200 simple's coming in here. Okay, so you'd buy the breakout of the falling wedge. Here's your targets over here. QKC, cup and handle, possible. Falling wedge, right? 68% chance this breaks to the upside. Here's your targets. You know, potentially there's going to be some, you know, strong resistance up here at about 95 Satoshis, but keep an eye on QKC. Band, oh man, here we go. Starting to move. Okay, so you got this little bull flag right here. Buy the breakout of this level. So I gave you band before, came down, retested. So band's up about 22% from when I gave it to you the first time. Okay, and again, there's a lot of upside once band gets going. Remember, band's an oracle. It's like Chainlink. It's like Teller. So these are hot right now, right? DeFi needs these oracles. A lot of cryptos do. So band, USDT, another one to keep an eye on. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.